Hit the like button before you leave. On June 7, 1692, Port Royal, Jamaica, a wealthy trade hub known as the wickedest city, was largely destroyed. An estimated magnitude 7.5 earthquake struck at approximately 11:43 a.m., triggering liquefaction. The ground behaved like liquid, swallowing buildings and people. A tsunami followed, submerging more of the city. Around 60% of Port Royal, 33 acres, sank into Kingston Harbor. Approximately 2,000 died instantly, and 3,000 more succumbed to injuries and disease. The devastation extended beyond Port Royal. Looting ensued. Port Royal, initially founded by the Spanish and later seized by the English, never regained its prominence. Subsequent fires and hurricanes further hindered recovery. It became a naval base, losing commercial importance. Let's take a quick commercial break. We'll be right back. Jamaica Health Box Natural Wellness, straight from the island to your home. Discover herbs, vitamins, and holistic blends designed to support energy, digestion, immunity, and everyday balance, made with a Jamaican-inspired approach to health. Shop now. www.jamaicahealthbox.com. Jamaica Health Box. Feel good, live clean. And we're back. Thanks for sticking with us. Survivors fled to the Liguanea plain. In July 1692, Kingston was established. Surveyor John Goffey designed the new town. Kingston quickly took over Port Royal's role as the main trading and financial center. Its deepwater harbor attracted merchants. By 1716, Kingston was Jamaica's largest town. In 1872, it became the capital of the colony of Jamaica. The 1692 earthquake marked a turning point, paving the way for Kingston's rise. Thanks for listening. Please like, share, and subscribe. Visit www.jamaicahealthbox.com to heal your body and cleanse. Your health is your wealth. Share this video.